Hello, my name is Vega, and today I'm going to present my final project for software engineering principle, and this is my prototype AI IoT Garden. So this is a mobile application where right here you can see the main screen, and then if we just refresh the screen, it will play a relaxing, smooth song, which it can calm the user as well. It can relax them. Let's just um, let's just wait until then it stops.
Welcome to the information screen. AI Garden helps the user to analyze plants by identify image dictation and even inform the user about the garden. Also, schedule for example when Garden Club need a reminder setting date to plants are watering. For example, the user can use image recognition plants if it's unhealthy the plants only taking images.
So basically, this is the information where I click in, and it would do text to speech where the user can follow along, or if they don't want to, they can just listen to it and hear what is the information about this application, because sometimes some application they need some information, what it's mostly about, how to use it, or what it does. So right here we go scheduling time. Right now it's a work in progress. Now it's a work in progress. So right here it's just right here you can just go to date, and even you can go all the way from the future date as even in the past date as well. Right here in 2019. So right now it's work in progress for the user to apply and just type it out what they want, depend on their schedule, if they want to just basically water the plant, or just spend more time with their plants in the garden, trying to work things out, trying to test new things. They can schedule it right here. So right now we'll let me just show you how the chatbot AI garden work. So right here is say hello, and I will respond hello. Greeting. How can I assist you? Which is kind of interesting. We just keep going with this conversation, and I ask what type of suggestion they like. For example, if someone doesn't know, like should I plant watermelon or different type of things into the garden. So this chatbot will start the conversation, and that's how it goes with um with this chatbot and with the user. So it recommend the user, oh, you can plant cucumber, corn, watermelon, or melon as well. If I ask, or if I just type plant, automatically display it. So basically, it's repeat the same thing, which is kind of interesting. So the chatbot is still a work in progress. I just add more conversations to it, some tips. Basically, the chatbot will tell tips as well, talk about normal thing as well if they want emotional chatbot, but as well understanding more about the garden aspect. So right here, if we go to hacks for your garden, which is kind of interesting, then it start to play music, and then it just like automatically shut down because there's some video for the user that they can see, or just like hacks and tips and they can follow along. As well, like this is something interesting as well, they can just click right here. They can see how some of the tips and hacks they can use only with the video. As well as something interesting because sometimes the video, it will give us better hacks and idea how to maintain your plants healthy. As well, this is a good way to keep in touch with your plants, as well get more information about it. So right here I'll add more video as well, probably add some links for the user to read. For example, like a document they can read or article. And even I'm going to type some tips and hacks as well. But this is a work in progress. This is how much I have. So right now, let me just show you like, since right here the information said about like object detection or image detection. So basically it's still work in progress, but I have some idea how to do it. So I'm trying to use like Python to connect with React Native, which is trying to use that program and collect more image. So if I just go to my file and go to my desktop, go to plants. So right here you see that I have some of the file right here. So right here, if I do command prompt, so that is how it looks like. So basically it detects right here, and also it addressed like the name of the plant, which is kind of interesting as well. Like probably will add more image to detect other things. For example, let me just think about it, but like detect health, and if it is healthy or unhealthy, as well can detect other plants. For example, tomato, sunflower, as well roses. So this is something interesting that I have overcome. So it's still work in progress, but however, I use Python. So right now I'm just trying to do like in Python, and then trying to use some image detection or object detection where it can translate it to React Native. So to do so, I need to download some file, mobile mobile Next, and as well some things that that can help me to achieve this result more clear, and as well can detect other things. That is it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.